Let's make a single serve portion of a classic summertime dessert. Hi, I'm Annie from ketofocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero and I want to show you how to make a keto blueberry shortcake for one person. Let's get started. This is the perfect dessert if you just want a little hint of something sweet, and it's great for summertime because you can pair this with ice cream or homemade whipped cream. We're gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of almond flour to a bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And for sweetness, I'm going to be using ChocZero's vanilla syrup. We have 2 tablespoons of their syrup going in here. I love their syrups because they're sugar-free and sugar alcohol-free. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix that together until everything's combined. And then you can either use a small mug or a small bowl. I'm using a ramekin. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of fresh blueberries to the bottom. You could use frozen berries too, or whatever berry you wanna use. Raspberries, strawberries, blackberries also work wonderful in this recipe. Next, we top our blueberries with our shortcake mixture. For ease of baking, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. It's gonna go in the microwave for around 1 minute. When you take it out of the microwave, it will still be kind of soft on top, but that's exactly how you want it because you wanna eat this dish warm. Top it with some ice cream or some homemade whipped cream and just kind of watch everything kind of melt together. It is so good. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto blueberry shortcake.